Tommy, there's a lot of UT sports going on tonight. People
Yes,
are going to want to head out to watch the Final Four. We're supposed to have baseball just across the highway here. What's the rain going to do to all this?
Yeah, there's two key components to the forecast. There's this first phase, which will be impacting the evening hours, and then there's the main event late overnight tonight into Saturday morning. Here's where we stand right now. We have a front that's just slicing through the KXAN viewing area. South of the front, 70s and 80s, spring-like, what we've been dealing with for the past few days. North of the front, though, look at this, 57 in Mason County and San Saba County, 59 in Lampasas. And this boundary is going to be the key component this evening for some storms. By the afternoon hours, I bumped up our high to 86 now in downtown Austin, 87 in Bastrop County, 88 down toward Caldwell and Fayette. And then where we have the cooler and drier air, just the upper 60s for San Saba and Lampasas County. Let's talk about the specific threats for tonight. Very low-end tornado. We do have a moderate for hail. Hail is probably the largest concern in my opinion. Wind as well as flooding is something we also have to discuss. Now, this first phase arriving on the boundary could see a few storms get sparked up between 5 p.m. and 10 p.m. late this evening to the early overnight hours. This only includes a few counties, Williamson down toward Travis and Hayes and Milam. This is where I'm watching the radar closely during those hours. However, here's the second phase. Notice how widespread it is from 1 a.m. to 6 a.m. first through the hill country. Very early tomorrow morning, and then east of I-35, 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. clearing out by Saturday in the late morning hours. Right now, just a few scattered showers, no severe weather at all, but notice the clearing skies toward Gillespie County. If we get more clearing here in the Austin metro, that will build and grow thunderstorm fuel, which means stronger storms during the evening. Here's 3:30 walking you through 6:45. There's that first phase. Notice that line of storms along the front from Georgetown, Round Rock down toward Austin and Dripping Springs. That should begin to wind down by 10 p.m. Now here's the main event. Notice how wide this giant swath of storms will be, moving north and east by 3:30 over the I-35 corridor, eventually moving east through Milam, Lee, and Fayette counties through, let's say, 4, 5, 6 a.m. Few leftover showers are possible, but then by 3, 4, 5 p.m. Saturday afternoon, you could get some clearing skies, which would be great for the Kite Festival. Bottom line is, find a way to receive severe weather alerts. I suggest downloading the KXAN First Warning Weather app. 40% rain chance today, picking up tonight up to 80 to 90%. And then tomorrow morning, look at that, morning storms, hopefully some afternoon sunshine. Those temperatures going from the 80s to the 70s. How about Sunday, 61 out the door early Monday morning, 42 degrees in Austin. Make sure you stay weather aware through the next 24 hours.